That is perfect. That's what you call money. Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install one of these bad boys. All right, so when you open the box, that is the actual piece you're gonna get. It's all together, ready to go. Let me show you the parts of all these. This here is how you open it up. Okay, let's pick it over here so I don't get nothing in the bottom of it. Sit on the concrete. So this here's your handle. You know, you pull it up. When you do that, down here on the bottom, that ball right there, that's your valve. That pulls it up and opens that and allows the water to flow through that. When you push the handle back down, it brings that back down and closes it off. So these are supposed to be like a never freeze. What it is you bury this in the ground 2 feet. Okay, there's a bleeder valve here, a hole where what water is up in here will run down, drain out of this. That way you have no water left in your line here to freeze if you do this in the wintertime. That way you can still operate and use this in the wintertime without having to worry about it freezing on you. All right, first thing you want to do, flip it over, have your end here. You need to get you an adapter. I'm using some shark bites to do mine, 3/4 inch. You'll need a male adapter, has the threaded end here, and then the other end where my PEX is going to connect into, okay? So first thing you want to do, put some Teflon tape on it. So first thing you want to do is take this, obviously Teflon tape, take it here, start threading it on. Just get it as far as you can, hand tight. Then it's your choice. You can take a regular wrench like this here. You can grab a pair of channel locks, whichever you prefer. I'm gonna go ahead and use this here. And then what you want to do is just tighten it down as best you can. You want to get it good and tight. Got to put the man on it. Hey, if my buddy Spencer's watching this, you know, he probably couldn't do it. He'll probably be calling me, man, I can't get this thing. I just can't get it very tight. So he'll be like, Eric, can you come over and help me with this? And I'll be like, yeah, man, I'll come over and help you get your, you know, screw it in tight. So somebody's got to help him. Anyways. All right, as I mentioned before, right on here on that gold, copper, brass looking piece, that's where your drain valve is, drain hole, whatever you want to call it. That's where that is. So you want to come up above that. I need to put some more gravel in it. Make sure you don't put dirt on there or don't put the concrete, because if you do, it's going to get backed up. It's not going to drain properly. And like I said, you're going to turn it on in the winter right over here like this. You're going to turn it on and it's going to freeze somewhere in here, because it cannot drain properly. You've got to make sure you cover that with gravel, not dirt, and definitely not concrete. All right, here's what we got going. Put some dirt in here so I could dam this up so all my concrete don't run out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just, I ran my gravel up probably about a foot below the surface. I'm gonna finish that with concrete, no dirt. That way I don't have to worry about over time some of that washing through the gravel and just worried about possibly clogging it up. Last thing, don't forget to level it. You don't want that thing to be sitting like this, all cattywampus, all leaning in, look like it's been there for 50 years. I mean, that looks awful. Or obviously don't forget the other way, be leaning like this. Don't forget to level it up first. Once you put your concrete in there, it's pretty well gonna hold it. You won't have any issues, but don't forget it, because it's easy just put it in there, get busy doing something, and then you'll be a little tipsy, like some of you may be watching. So don't forget. All right, as you can see, we have our concrete in there. The red tape there's your bury line. After that all dries up, I will throw some dirt on top of that just to finish it off. Like I said, you have the concrete on there, so it ain't gonna seep down and clog up nothing. That's 2 feet down. I don't think we're having problems there. And last but not least, remember, we're gonna throw a level on it real quick just to be sure it's level. You can eyeball it, but I'm kind of anal sometimes. I like everything to be so-so. That's perfect. That is perfect. That's what you call money. Alright guys, I hope this video's been helpful. showing you how to install one of these spigots outside above the ground. That way it won't freeze on you in the wintertime if you want to use it. Summertime obviously doesn't matter. But like I said, if you didn't know how one of these worked before, your shutoff is down in the ground, not above here. It's actually, your shutoff is not here in the handle. It's down at the bottom where I showed you where that plunger is. If you would, subscribe to the channel. Check out some of the other videos. I got all kinds of stuff on there now. Different things. Some stuff's cars, some stuff's plumbing a little bit of electrical, a little bit of just odd and end projects. I got more stuff coming. So if you would, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. That way when I post new stuff, you can watch it, check it out. Hey, and if you would, share it with your friends. Here soon I'm going to be starting Facebook and Instagram. I'll have that stuff posted on there, make it a little bit easier for you guys to view it and to share it. And as always, guys, remember, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching.